was just recording this video at around 2:20 a.m. I think it is. I think I can't show like I have Mac open. I can't show it there. And yeah, so I just thinking to like just make this video. I think I'll make more vlogs here. I think that's for the better. Okay, shit, it's closed. Yeah. So I was thinking I'll make more vlogs like a life updates kinda in this one. So just thinking like how the content creation has actually changed my life in a lot of ways. So I'll tell you like I recently got my it's not recent but it's been some time that I got my what how do I call it? It was like a collab with a cafe that I usually go to. So they actually invited me to their 1 year anniversary. That was a long time ago, but I'm just giving it an update here. And also, like I keep reaching out to like clothing brands and different kind of tech kind of things. So it actually like they respond back, and now I have around 7K followers on Instagram, and all verified. Even recently, I've been active on X also, and Threads of course has been my dear platform always. So so I just thought I'll make a quick update how it changed my life. Well, it's in still in process, it's still going that changing part, but one thing I really like is that how it has allowed me, like I always been not fully introvert but kind of introvert, that I felt like okay I need to make videos. And also I was always thinking, but I thought okay I'll do something and then I'll start this part. But I just started, and now like Shivaya's channel, that is my startup channel, that's at 5 no, it's a 757 now. So yeah, that one. So it's really great that how it's going. It will soon hit 1K. And yeah, and my personal this one also is at 277. That's great because I wanted to mode on YouTube, to be honest, because I felt like it's the most dear platform I have. And also like these kind of things, like I always thought okay being an influencer or creator is okay, I don't know how it happens, so I just started. Like I was always keen into photography and aesthetics, you can say, because like I had a oh shit again it went off, give me a moment. So I always been keen of it, like I always wanted to make these kind of, and people were, I was really active on Visco, so they always used to tell me, oh you should make videos, you should take pictures, you should post it out. Actually started doing it, and see it's a process. Like I have a lot of big goals in my mind, like this one app like from Wellness Sage, if you guys have been following me, you know Wellness Sage I've been building. It's live right now, but it was like a MVP that I built just so I can verify the ideas. Right now I'm working on making a BizFit app for it and launching it on Play Store, because like the app store will take a lot of time, so Play Store. But I have keep going into like a builder, there's a lot of things. Even though I'm debugging it, I'm trying to solve it. I think I'll need more developers for it, so if anyone would really want to get into it and want to help me, do let me know. I'm always open. You can DM me on Instagram, X, whichever platform you want. And yeah, if you want to tag along, it's a start. Some cool stuff I made on it. I'll just put a demo kind of here so you can see it out. But yeah, let's get into the main thing of the video. So yeah, I think it's really great, to be honest. Like it's like it allowed me to meet so many beautiful people actually. Like and talk to so many people that okay, I thought okay, I won't have if I wasn't into so many spaces. But tech has been always my love. Second is this content creation and this video editing and photography. It always had been. And I'm trying to blend it and trying to create Shivai out of that need so that I can help people out. Because I was on those, so all the content creation in tech and AI and data is because I took like a zeal for myself that okay, I have to be that person, so I'll put all my efforts into being that person. So in that journey, if I can help people out, like to actually understand it, like, and the struggles that I went through while starting, because I didn't had any mentor at all to actually teach those kind of things. So if I am there helping people out, being a mentor, why not do that? So that's how it started. So now I already officially launched the website. Is in description, you can check it out. So once I started doing all these things, made me realize how life changes so fast. So right now I'm in Hyderabad and all, and I have big plans for the future, of course. And I don't want to disclose it, to be honest, because I want to work on it. Like, I don't want to say something and not work on it, because I have, like, even though I don't agree fully to it, but I feel like once we say a lot of things, then it becomes like, okay, we have already achieved it. So we kind of, our brain triggers us into believing that, okay, we have already achieved it. So I'm putting work towards it, and let's go. And yeah, if you want to tag along and all, I'll make more kind of these kind of vlogs, like more human like, no flashy edits, because my editors already, I think I have four at this point for Shibai, so they are making that one professional as well. This one I wanted to keep it as raw as possible, so that I can talk to you guys one on one. And long form actually allows me to do that, to be honest, because short form is just, you have to do a lot of things. Even though my Instagram has always been like a lifestyle and a personal diary of mine, if you want to follow it, the link will be in description for it. And yeah, it's more like a pep talk, to be honest. And yeah, here for any pep talks or any kind of, because see, I'm just a guy who's trying to build a lot of things, met a lot of beautiful people, and beautiful in all kind of ways. So I think that's not, I won't don't want to generalize in a particular way. And yeah, so you'll be seeing a lot of me, because I'll be posting myself a lot, and it's a good thing, it's a good thing. And tag along for the journey. Like, it will be a long one, we'll see how it goes, but one thing that I can be sure of is never to give up. Like, I'll keep going. If one thing doesn't work out, I'll pivot to another one. But some things that I'm really passionate about, like Shivai, I'll never ditch. I'll keep on working on it. So yeah. So till the next vlog comes, let's go there. And it's like I wanted to make it as human as possible, so I'm just recording while on the bed. So I thought I'll just record it. So I did. I thought I'll turn on the light, but it's making my face look weird. I don't know why. I don't know. Right now, also, it's not that perfect, but yeah, let's go. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.